I'm Ananya and we are here before you to present a model on highway wind turbines.
This model is based on UNO 17 global development, which are the 7, 11 and 13.
The seventh rule is to conserve sufficient amount of natural resources in the lowest way possible, and the 11th one is to sustain our environment and our communities.
And the 13 is to promote climate change. A highway wind turbine is a turbine that generates electricity through wind produced by vehicles traveling on a highway. Now the question arises that how the wind is produced by a car.
When cars move, they push air out of their way as they come forward.
Windmills are also known as wind turbines that take the kinetic energy from the wind, and the kinetic energy is converted into rotational energy because of the rotation of the blades. And the main purpose of windmill or the wind turbine is to generate electricity without burning of any coal and fossil fuel, as the burning of coal and fossil fuel generates many harmful gases like CO2, NO2, SO2, which are very harmful to our environment and also increase the rate of global warming.
Now, when cars and trucks move, they produce strong air currents. These air currents can spin the blade of the turbine and can produce clean electricity. Now, the question arises about its importance. It is important as it can generate vehicle-generated electricity into a renewable source of energy. It also gives us efficient use of resources, as it can capture the vehicle movement energy and can convert it into the rotation of the turbines. It is an innovative idea, and soon this innovative idea is to be introduced in India by our Transport Minister, Mr. Nitin Gadkari ji. And now let's get back to the model. When cars and trucks move, they produce very strong air currents, and these air currents can spin the blade of the turbine.
As the wind turbine blades will move due to the force, aerodynamic force, which is the motion of the wind. The movement of the wind produces electricity to houses to light. So we can light our factories, houses and many other things that we want to light. And it is a very eco-friendly manner, and it does not harm our environment, and it does not increase the rate of global warming also.
What should be the minimum speed of air to move
80 km per hour.
80 km per hour?
Yes.
So in India, in which state?
Yes, sir, in Jaisalmer.
In Jaisalmer.
Yes, sir.
80
There are
kilometer.
many wind turbines,
Okay.
but this idea is not in India right now.
These are in other countries like Scotland, Germany,
Bangladesh.
China, Bangladesh.